What is the young one of a cow or a giraffe called? A young one of a cow or a giraffe is called a calf. A baby of an elephant or an hippo or a rhino is also called a calf. When they are born, they are looked after by their mother. She protects her calf from all harm. A calf starts walking immediately after it is born. What is the young one of an eagle called? The young one of an eagle is called an eaglet. A eagle is a big bird with strong wings and sharp eyes. They build nests on high trees or on mountain tops. They lay eggs. When the chick is out, she is given her nourishment or nutrition by daddy and mummy eagle. But as they grow, they have to learn to fly. This change from being a little chick to a little grown-up eagle is called an eaglet. Once an eaglet knows how to fly, she is left to look after herself. What is the young one of a goat called? The young one of a goat is called a kid. So in simple words, a kid is a baby goat. If a kid is healthy, it can stand within minutes after birth and are able to move with the herd immediately. Daddy goat is called a billy and mummy goat is called a doe or a nanny. So baby goat is called a kid. Which bird is famous for the quality of its song? It's the nightingale. A nightingale, children, is a small bird. It looks like a sparrow, chimney, also called chidiya. A nightingale is a small bird best known for its powerful and beautiful song. They mostly eat insects like beetles, grasshoppers, ants, etc. Like the house sparrow, the number of nightingales all over the world is falling because of climate change. And we people are responsible for this. So let's protect and save our nature. Look after it so that the sweet song of the nightingale never dies out. How many toes does a horse have on each hoof? The answer is a horse has only one toe on each hoof. Do you know, children, like how mom goes for pedicure, a domesticated horse also has to do pedicure to look after its hoof. This keeps the horse looking good and feeling good. A horse owner also provides the horse with horseshoes, which are made of iron and are nailed or screwed into their hooves to protect them. So the horse is the only domestic animal that wears a horseshoe. So horse have one toe on every foot. Which bird lays the largest egg in the world? An ostrich, children, lays the largest egg in the world. An ostrich is a big bird. It cannot fly because it is very heavy. But an ostrich is the fastest running bird with very strong legs. One kick by the ostrich can even kill a lion or a tiger when it is attacked. Just imagine, if I had to bring an ostrich to the class, its head would touch the ceiling. So now imagine how big it is. Now because it's so big, its egg too is really big. Look at that auntie holding two kinds of eggs. The big one is of an ostrich and the small one is of a hen. So an ostrich lays the largest egg. Which animal is the symbol of World Wildlife Fund? The giant panda is the symbol of World Wildlife Fund, WWF, since 1961. A giant panda is also called a panda bear. As you can see, they look like bears. They belong to the same family. So a giant panda is also called a panda bear because they belong to the bear family. The panda is a national treasure of China. A panda is black and white in color. They live in forest high up in the mountains. They eat bamboo shoots and eucalyptus leaves, nilgiri ke patte. They also eat fish and other small animals like the squirrel, mice, etc. To stay healthy, they eat a lot. That is, they eat for 14 hours and they sleep for 10 hours. They like to live alone and they are excellent tree climbers. They are found on the trees mostly. The sad part is that today there are only 1,500 pandas in the world. We must not kill them and see that they are looked after well. They are nature's gift to us. We must protect them. To which family does the tiger belong? A tiger belongs to the cat family. It is a striking and beautiful animal with vertical stripes on orange and brown fur. They are flesh-eating animals called a carnivore. The tiger is our national animal. A hunter or a poacher kills this beautiful animal for its skin, which is called a hide. We even have white tigers in the wild and also in the zoo. The Bengal tigers are famous all over the world. We Indians are proud of this animal, the tiger.